Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my subbies, my crew, and welcome if you're watching me for the first time. In today's video, I'm going to be curling my hair. But as you know, I pretty much bring you guys along every single part of my journey as far as my locks are concerned. I show you when I wash my hair, maintain it, style my hair, doing different experiments to learn how to grow beautiful, long, healthy, luxurious locks. And I play around with my hair a lot, so if you're interested in that type of stuff, subscribe, because I love uploading these videos just to inspire and motivate you all who are on your lock journey. Or if you're just curious about what locks look like, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the crew. But anyway, today I wanted to do something really fun. So you guys have seen me curl my hair in different ways. As you know, my most favorite way to curl my hair is using the foam rollers, the Goody Foam Rollers. You guys have seen me do this. If you didn't, check out that video where I used these vintage foam rollers. Check it out. That was so much fun. I enjoyed the results. So cute. But today is gonna be something different, all right? You guys have not seen this. I don't know if you have, but I have a whole bag full of curlers that I have not used. I haven't used many of these things in years. I mean, you guys know I have these foam rollers, but I also have these flexi rods that I haven't used since I was loose natural. I also have these rollers that are so reminiscent of when I was in junior high school, and I used to get a lot of like wash and set type of situations on my hair. And at the Dominican hair salon, they would use this a lot and put me under the dryer. I haven't used this in years. I don't know when the last time I used this. Years. I also have this fun little contraption. I forgot the name of it actually, but I've never used this actually. My mom gave it to me and I've never used it before ever in life. I've got these big rollers, just a lot of stuff that I've never used. But today I thought it would be so much fun to try something different. Instead of just going with one curl method, I'm going to try the whole bag. Yes. Hold your comments. The whole bag of tricks. All of these rollers, I'm going to try to put them in my hair and see what each curl looks like on my locks, and try to come up with a nice style and hope that, you know, me using all of these curls actually come out to something cute. So yeah, I just decided, let me just try it out, you know, try something different. You know, I love doing different things with my hair. If you guys don't know, I'm always playing around with my hair, and that's the way you have to be. You have to be excited about your hair. You have to keep it fresh and fun. So I'm gonna get this thing started. Let's start from the back. Now, what curl will I use in the back? I have different curls. I have to find the tool for this actually, if I even intend on using it. But I have all these different curls. Which one will I use for the back? I think I'm going to, I think I will use, I'm leaning towards this one. I'll use them in the back. I have all sorts of like sizes actually. I have this thin one, I have this red one. That's pretty much it. So the first thing that I need to do here is get my hair out of my face. So let me just get some, I'm always forgetting something in the video. Hold on. Okay, so I've got my Goody hair bands. I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. I always start in the back no matter what I do, whether it's retwisting or whatnot. I also made sure to have my handy dandy leave-in spray to go ahead and set the curls with. I don't use the foam mousse at any given time since it gave me buildup when I got married. That was a long story. All right, so I'm going to use these and start from the very bottom here. Oops. The first time I've ever used these was when my mom put them in my hair. I remember she used to use the orange ones, and that's when my hair was permed and super long and beautiful. She used to put the orange ones in my hair, the orange Flexi-rods. That's pretty much like my first experience with these Flexi-rods. And since then, I've probably only tried this out like 2-3 times on my own. But we're doing something different here. I've always loved these curlers because they are so easy to put in. And start from the bottom and just roll your way up, and then you can, like, when you reach the top like this, you just grab it and like put it anywhere, like fold it any old way, and it stays. Yes. I don't know why I'm so excited about that. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the very back here. All right, so I've got the back twisted, and it's so quick. Like, when you use these Flexi-rods, you just basically roll your hair fast and just set it, and that's it. So now that I've done the super back, I'm going to grab some more locks in the back, get my hair out my face. All right, you know what? Instead of doing the Flexi-rods in the next row, the next row will be reserved for my good old foam rollers. All right, so the next row, I will go ahead and use these nostalgic curlers. I don't know what to call them, so I'm just gonna call them the nostalgic curlers. And I will use those on like the very sides of my hair. Now I realize why I don't use these curlers as much. They're hard to sleep in, and they're hard. They're hard. Like, there's no softness where they can actually like kind of help you to remain some keep some comfort going. No, they're just hard. All right, here we go. I know my husband is gonna look at me kind of crazy, but he don't need to know these things. Just when you see the results, it will all make sense. These remind me of the Dominican hair salon I used to go to. That salon was so amazing. Like, I tell you, they helped me through an almost traumatic time in my hair journey. If you are interested in hearing about that traumatic hair time, the time that I was traumatized, let me know. I will share a story, only if you're interested though. Is anyone excited to see what this will look like? I'm so excited. All right, so I want it to look very different in the front. I don't want the same old look. So I've never used them, but I mean, they're rumored to really make your hair look great, give that beautiful curl. So let's see what it could do for my locks. All right, so I latched on and I'm going to pull it. Oh boy. What is going on here? What's going on? I mean, it should just pull my hair through, right? There we go. I think. I don't want to lose hair in the process. And what is going on? Oh, curl formers. Yes, that's the name of it. Curl formers. I think my hair might be too long for this though. It's supposed to be a curl former. Oh gosh. What have I done? All right. There we go. All right. It's only going to get up to there, to that point. But I want it to go through the whole entire thing. So I'm grabbing my trusty, I don't know what this is, putting it through the mesh thingy, latching it. I've never used this before in my whole entire life. And I'm going to pull it through. All right, it came out. All right, this time it worked. And oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
3 hours later.
Okay. I guess that is the look. So just a little spin around so you guys can see what this looks like up close. This side looks even crazier. I'm gonna keep this in for overnight actually, and come back and show you guys what it looks like. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and curl this end. I don't want it to just be like straight. I need it to curl like all the way. So we have half curl former, half foam roller action. There we go. Hey everyone, so it is the next morning and I'm about to take this off my head. As you can see, I put a hairnet on top of the curlers just to keep the curlers in place. But I'm gonna be honest, this was not comfortable to sleep in. It was very uncomfortable, mainly because of these curlers that I have on the sides of my head. I like to sleep on the side, so it was really difficult to be comfortable. But I'm gonna take this off. As you can see, one of the Goody Foam Rollers came out, so that's what I get. I'm gonna take them down with my oil blends. This is pretty much avocado oil, olive oil, and a few drops of essential oils. I think I'm gonna start from the back like I always do. So let's see what's going on with these curls. I already know that this will give me a nice curl just because I trust it. It's one of my favorite ways to curl my hair, so I know it's not gonna disappoint me. But let's take out this Flexi-rod thing and see what's going on here. Okay, so I am at the very last curl. I think that's everything. Okay, I'm at the last curl, and as you can see, it is the curl former curl. I've never done this before, so I don't know what to expect, but let's just hope for the best. So let's just pull this down. And absolutely nothing. So I'm glad that I put it there instead. I'm glad I didn't put the curl former in the front, or I would have ended up with like a limp curl framing my face. So I can kind of finagle this thing and, like, you know, kind of pin it to the back or something just to kind of keep it in place. But I love these curls. Yes, this is very cute. Most of the curls look the same to me. I do see a slight difference, that the Flexi-rods gave me more of a spiral curl. Like the hair was very, like the curls are compact and it's very spiral like. Now of course my foam rollers, they give you more of a full curl, more of a full spiral, but this one gives you more of a constricted like curl. Of course my good old, I don't know what to call these gave me the same curl as the Goody Foam Roller. However, when I used this one, which is a little bit bigger, this of course gave me more of a wavy curl than this one, just because of the size. I mean, I could expect that anyway, but I do have to say that the Flexi rods are my new favorite. I do like the nice spiral curl that I got, and it is very similar to my favorite curlers, which are the Goody Foam Curlers. Of course, this one right here, the curl former, didn't give me much of a curl at all. It just left me with a limp section of hair. It didn't do much at all. And it's funny, when I did the rag curls, I got more of a curl with the rag curls than I did with these curl formers. So I guess this is only for the loose natural girls. It's not for us girls with locks. It's okay. I think what I'm gonna do though is take one of my favorite Goody hair curlers and just like put this in the curler and set it for like a few hours and then take it out. But I love my curls. This is really nice. Like, I thought I would end up with a bunch of crazy looking curls that were really different, but they all pretty much come together and form a nice flow of a nice cascade of curls, if you can say that. But yeah, let me just give you guys a spin around and show you what it looks like. So this is the side. Yeah. So I'm really excited about these curls. What do you guys think? Of course, this thing, oh, as I'm looking at myself in this viewfinder, my eyes just go straight to that. But what do you guys think? Would you try something like this? Would you try it? Let me know if you would. And if you do, hit me up on Instagram. It's Desiree Marie _. You can DM me your picture and I will be so happy to see what your hair turns out to look like when you try different methods. Even if you don't try like different curler methods, try like, you know, the braids and twists and something else and see how it kind of looks all together. I would love to see that. Anyway, this is pretty much me having fun with my hair. Like I tell you all, have fun with your hair, experiment. Don't, you know, keep yourself in a box where you start to get bored with your hair and you just don't know what else to do. There's so much you can do with locks. You just have to have fun and think outside of the box sometimes. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know down below if you've ever tried this. What is your favorite method of curling? And I will see you in the next video. Later, guys. Bye.